Hi, I'm Axel, and I want to walk you through the 2024 BottleRocket 80. This is suitable for a Ram and a Toyota Tundra. We also make a bunch of different lengths. If you look over here, this is a BottleRocket 65, just the shell, and that's suitable for mid-size trucks. We've tried to keep the weight and the cost down on these campers, on these toppers. That means that I'm going to point out to you a number of options. This is solar. Keep this 100 watts solar. That'll keep your solar generator going when you're on the road. The idea of this is to be something you can easily lift off with a buddy of your truck and put it on a little carriage that we can give you a kit for. The vital thing about this is it's all made out of PVC. So if you look here, you'll see that there's a joint. The only joint is up here and a little one down there that is riveted and welded. And you can look around the entire thing and see that it's a big tube, so there are no seams up on top. I'll point out, this is another nice option here. This is a window. You can get it without the window. And if we come around the back here, you can see that there's a ventilating window right here. There's a fan there and a combination lock here. And over here, just to complete it, is another window that's installed. This also has a nice option where you can open the tailgate and you've got a lower door. So that means that you can live off of this on the road or in your campground just like this. Don't have to open your tailgate every time. So if you come on up, we've got a little sink here. It connects to a jug of water, and you can pour yourself some water, wash your dishes, whatever you need. Over here, we have a stove. We have the solar generator behind it, and we have a microwave. What I'm sitting on right now is a twin bed, but you can also remove these and put in an extra section of bedding right here, which will bring this up to a queen. It's about 73 inches across this, which is great because you can sleep sideways. You've got two nice windows. They've got these shades here, blackout shades and screens like this, and they pop out. Underneath here, plenty of room. You've got your porta potty here. You've got your very large cooler here, and you've got your spare mattress. Another option, the options that this comes with are this sink box, this power and cooking box, and also a carpet, because this is a topper, but it's effectively like a full-on camper, which means it's light and less expensive. You've got your nice lights here, and you've got your fan there. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with the queen size bed in. And right now we have it set up with the kitchen and the power boxes stored so that you've got a queen size bed here. This is really convenient if you're sleeping two people on the road. You can convert it into a kitchen. You could cook outside. So it's as easy as this to change it from a queen into a twin. Just take this, put that there. Take this little mattress here, folds up, and you take this board out of the way, and now you can set up your kitchen and your power, your cooking stuff on either side. Thank you.